the car gets painted. It's going to be the main chassis of the car and the hood. And then we're working on a plan as far as what we're going to do with the other panels. We were trying to think of something to paint the doors today, but it's just not. We'd rather get the whole body painted along with the hood because that's the biggest of it. The rest of it, we're going to work out a layout, clean up some stuff.
Yeah, so yeah, this garage is pretty cramped right now. Last video, we finished priming the car. Off camera, we did primer this door. So you can see the door's pretty nice and flat. It's pretty rough to touch. You guys can hear that? So we're gonna have to wet sand that, and so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wet sand. I think I have to sand like with the orbital sander a little bit on the hood because I realized that I was sanding with the wrong grit. So we have like bumps, and you can notice the body filler.
It's actually only one spot, and out of all places, was one of the biggest dents on the car.
Right. So I'm just gonna make that flat. We're gonna maybe throw a little bit of primer on there, and then get right to paint. Everything else, we can't even do the rest of the body panels because as of right now, the only body panel that's ready for paint would be this one door.
This door, yeah.
We still need to fix the other door, the fillers, the bumpers. So we need to take the parts car apart. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it.
What's up, guys? So just a quick little update. We have it all sanded down with 400 grit. We wet sanded it down with 400 grit along the edges, the roof. The lighting's a little bad right here, but everything, the back panel. He's finishing up on this quarter panel. Then we're gonna hit it with a 600. And then we'll be done.
so we just we finished. We west ended.
Yeah.
And then we came across.
And then we
400, 600, and then we came across some high spots, so we just took care of those. Right now, we're gonna blow air into any of the crevices. After we finish that, we're gonna wax and grease remove, and then we're gonna tack off and paint. So that's next. What's up, guys?
What's up?
So we just finished laying down the base coat on the car. It took a couple hours. We didn't even.
It was like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, but it looks great. I'll show you guys. Like, this spot's a little wet, but you can see the reflection looks good. It doesn't look, it looks pretty good actually. So we gotta let this dry for a little bit. We're gonna get something to eat and then come back and primer, clear coat.
Clear.
The smell's getting to me again.
Yeah, we're gonna clear and then we're gonna come back and show you guys the outcome by tomorrow.
Yeah. So the end of this video is here.
Yeah, so the clearing part we're gonna put it as part of the other video of a new video because
it's gonna take a long time and this video's already too long. Usually we like our videos to be like 10 minutes or so, but this one's gonna be more closer to 20, like 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
But it's satisfying, so satisfying.
Yeah, definitely. I'm excited. The car has paint and it looks good. It
Looks
really
good.
does.
Let's do a quick walk around. So areas like this, I'll show you guys in the video before, but like as it was wet, you can see the nice reflection. It doesn't really look like any flat spots or anything. The paint looks. We should just get some matte clear. It look good. But yeah, the paint looks really good. We kind of covered all areas, especially like this here. Surprisingly enough, this is the same paint we used for the interior, but the finish is way different.
Well, we hit
the
this.
Primer.
No, not only the primer, but we did hit this. This is 3 coats of paint.
So, there is a little drip here and there, but
it's not our first paint job.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. So we'll work past that. We'll put a lot of clear over so we could wet sand it nicely, and that's it.
Plan on doing 2-3 coats of clear. We'll see as it goes on. We'll be able to determine what
we only have a quart, so however much coats we could do with that, we're
gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it all, right?
Yeah.
Mix it all, spray it all. See.
For the other parts, we'll get more clear.
And we need more paint now too.
Oh yeah, we used a whole half gallon of paint, which we were expecting to paint the whole car with that much.
Yeah, it's a 1-to-1 mix ratio, so it was a gallon of paint that we used.
Yeah.
Just about.
Yep. So we're gonna get another half a gallon, and a whole gallon of clear because we're gonna use that for other stuff too.
Yeah, we have other things.
And it's cheaper that way. So
show them the gas cap.
My favorite part right here. This is it. I was just gonna show them. Look at that. That's without clear. We just painted this, but you see that? Guess what's missing? What's missing?
The gas cap.
That's right, because we don't do things like that here. So this was us stepping out of our comfort zone.
This is way out of my comfort zone.
Yeah, I've never painted before.
I painted an engine bay, and I'll tell you something. He knows the amount of times I have had to stop to stretch.
Yeah. Because
it is.
Yeah, when I was priming too, my hand got a little tired. So
especially the roof and the hood.
It's no easy task, but we did a good job. I'm proud of it. Let's see how the clear comes out, and let's see how our dad sees it. Yeah. So
we're going for that mirror finish. Let's see.
Yep. So thank you guys again. We appreciate your support.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Don't forget to do that. Second time already.
Yeah, don't forget.